How to fix Outlook not updating inbox. So here I am in the new version of Outlook. And then from here, if you find that your Outlook account is not updating your emails, so you are not receiving new emails right here, the first thing that you need to check is your internet connection. So make sure you have a strong internet connection and you are connected to the internet. The second thing that you can do is that you can use the sync feature right here in Outlook so that you can manually update your emails. So to do that, you can just go right here to view, and then there will be a sync button right here. So as you can see, it says sync sent and received email. So you can just click sync, and then you just need to wait until it finishes syncing, and then you should see your new received emails right here. And then that is basically it. So when you click sync, there will be this syncing banner right here. And then you just need to wait for it to finish. And then they should now add your new emails right here. And then you can also do this in the classic version of Outlook. So I'll just open the classic version of Outlook right here. And then the same thing that you need to do is that you need to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection. And then from here, to manually sync your emails or to manually update your emails, you can just go right here to send and receive, and then click send and receive all folders. So that way it will sync all folders of your Outlook account right here. Then it will now show your updated emails right here at the top. And then that is basically it. So if you have done the solutions that I have shown you right here, and then your Outlook is still not updating your inbox, what you can do is now you can repair the Outlook application. So to do that, just go to installed apps right here so that you can go to system settings. From here, just go ahead and find Outlook. So in the search apps, type Outlook. And then here is the Outlook application. You can click on the three dots, click advanced options, and then from here, you can repair Outlook. So we need to close Outlook first for this to work. So I'm just going to close this, click repair. And then if it's still not repairing, you can try clicking terminate right here and then click repair again. So let's just go back and then go back right here to Outlook. Go to advanced options. Now you can try repairing the application. So now when we open Outlook, it should now be fixed. And then you should now have your updated inbox right here. So if it's still not working, what you can do is now you can reset Outlook. So keep in mind that the application's data will be deleted if you use reset. But don't worry, what you need to do is that you just need to log into your Outlook account again. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix our Outlook not updating the inbox. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.